Did you know that Immanuel Kant never traveled more than 40 miles from his hometown his entire life? He woke at the same hour every single day. He walked the same route through his neighborhood so consistently that people reportedly set their clocks by him. His entire existence was a machine of routine, and from inside that perfectly structured life, he built one of the most powerful ideas in all of philosophy. He argued that human dignity rests on one thing: our ability to choose, freely, unconditionally, beyond every force that tries to shape us. Most people think freedom looks like spontaneity, no rules, no schedule, pure impulse. Can't live the opposite. And he understood something most people miss. Structure doesn't cage your freedom. It creates the conditions for it. When the outside world runs on autopilot, the mind becomes truly free. The Stoics knew this too. Discipline is not the enemy of freedom. It is the foundation of it. The most free person in the room is usually the most disciplined one.